And here's how to add or create pop-up in your Shopify website. Follow these easy steps to make your first pop-up for your Shopify. Log into your Shopify, and now we have to install our app. So in this left-hand menu, click on apps, click on all recommended apps, and click on Shopify App Store, and you directly jump into Shopify App Store. In the search apps box, type here pop-up and search for it. And here you will find bunch of pop-up maker app. So you have to search for the exact pop-up maker app. And note one thing, that you have to if you're searching for a email pop-up maker, or if you're searching for a sales pop-up, then you have to select the sales pop-up maker app. So now here we can see the banners pop-up maker app, and in my case I'm going to selecting this app, Power Pop-up Sales Pop-up, and this app provides free plan also. So let's install this pop-up builder app. And here we can see the pop-up template for our website. So you can select any pop-up template from this available pop-up list. So in my case, I'm going to selecting this pop-up, for example. So let's click on select to customize this specific pop-up for our Shopify. So here we can see the pop-up preview. Now select here edit mode, and now if you want to change any part from the pop-up, select the part, and in this left-hand menu you will be able to easily change the pop-up heading or text. So go ahead and customize your pop-up from this left-hand menu, and select the field, email field, and here you can change level, make email required. You can make the email field required here. And now to change your pop-up field background, select content, and here click on background image, and you can change image layout as well. And now from here you can also select a different template. So click on template, and now from this available template list you can also change a different template. Click on OK, and here we can see the pop-up preview template. So go ahead and customize the template according to your choice. Once your editing finished, click on publish, and select where to install the pop-up. Click on this drop down, and here you will find your website's all pages. And now, for example, if you want to visible the pop-up to your entire Shopify website, then select here everywhere. In order to visible the pop-up only in home page, select home page. To visible the pop-up only in all product page, select all products. So here's I'm selecting all products and clicking on install in Shopify theme editor. And here we can see the pop-up successfully activated, and here we can see the pop-up preview. Now make sure to enable the pop-up here and click on save. Once saved, now I'm going to opening my online store, and let's open product page. And here, as you can see, in product page, the pop-up is showing automatically. So that's how we can add pop-up in our Shopify store. Thanks for watching.